Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. So in this problem, we are going to solve one diode circuit problem. So here, one source is there, that is 8 volt source. So a diode and a resistor was connected in series to a source. Now how can you find diode voltage and resistor voltage and diode current? So diode current is what? The current in the circuit. How can you find it? So we know that diode have a cut-in voltage. So here given silicon diode is given here, Si silicon diode. So for the silicon diode, the cut-in voltage is 0.7 volts. So this voltage is enough to switch on the diode. So the diode voltage is 0.7 volts. So in the loop, the voltage is total voltage is voltage at diode and voltage at resistor summation. That is total voltage V is equal to Vd plus Vr according to KVL law. According to Kirchhoff's law, in a loop, the sum of all voltage drops is equal to source voltage. Source voltage is given as 8 volts. So 8 equal to, and diode voltage is fixed, that is 0.7 volts. So whenever this voltage is reached, that the diode will be on state. Means this is the cut-in voltage. So 0.7 plus Vr. So from this we will get Vr equal to 8 minus 0.7. So nothing but 7.3 volts. So this is the resistor voltage. So Vr we got and Vd we got. Now how can you find the diode current? So according to KCL theorem, Kirchhoff's current law, so in a loop, the current is constant, that is I. Means the current in diode is equal to current in resistor. Now we can easily find the current at the resistor, that is equal to voltage across resistor by total resistance. According to Ohm's law, V equal to IR. So that is V is the voltage across resistor and I is across in the resistor. So from this we will get IR equal to VR by R. But according to circuit, the current diode is equal to current in resistor, that is equal to VR by R. So VR is, we got 7.3 volts, that is 7.3 volts upon, and resistor value is given as 2.2 kilo ohms. That's equal to IR, that's equal to ID. So by simplifying this, we will get 3.32 milliamperes. So in a loop, the current is constant, that is 3.32 millivolts is there in the diode and in the resistor. So the diode current is 3.32 millivolts. So these are the required answers for the given problem, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.